Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and Venmo is giving you a hard time by not letting you add your card, you're not alone. This is a super common issue, but the good news is, it's often easy to fix with a few simple steps. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get back up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First off, make sure your card details are spot on. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV for any typos. Sometimes, a small error can block the process entirely. If everything looks good, move on to step 2. Update your Venmo app. Head to your App Store, search for Venmo, and install any available updates. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of glitches, especially with new security features in 2025. Next, verify your Venmo account if you haven't already. Venmo might require additional confirmation like a phone number or email to ensure everything's secure. Go to your settings and look for the verification option. It could be as simple as entering a code sent to your phone. If that's not the issue, check for any bank restrictions. Some banks block transactions for security reasons, so log into your bank's app or website and look for any alerts or settings that might be preventing the card from being added. Another quick fix is to clear your app's cache or restart your device. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Venmo, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, try offloading the app or restarting your phone. This often resolves temporary bugs. If you're still stuck, try adding a different card or payment method to see if the problem is specific to that card. Lastly, if none of these work, it's time to contact Venmo support. They have a help center on their website or an in-app chat feature that's usually super responsive. Just provide them with details about the error you're seeing. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to add your card and get back to sending and receiving money hassle-free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.